In this episode of Code Unveiled, we will take a look at puzzle number 6 from Advent of Code 2023 called Wait for It. Before viewing this video, we encourage you to try solving the problem independently. Let's take a look at the problem description. The gist of it is that we are given times and current records for several boat races. Your toy boat has a starting speed of 0 millimeters per second. For each whole millisecond you spend at the beginning of the race holding down the button, the boat speed increases by 1 millimeter per millisecond. We are asked to find the number of ways you can beat the record in each race and multiply them together. The simplest approach is to simulate all possible speeds and test if we beat the record. First, we parse the input into a list of times and a list of distances, current race records. Then we simulate all races, count the number of ways to beat the record, and multiply them together. In the second part, we are told that there is only one race. We must ignore the spaces between the numbers on each line. We can just take the code from the first part and slightly modify it. We glue all times and distances into one time and one distance. We get rid of the race loop and we can simply brute force the solution. It takes approximately 8 seconds, but it gets the job done. Now, when we have 2 stars, we can optimize it a little. After some thought, we can observe that we have to solve quadratic inequality. Minus x to the power of 2 plus time times x minus distance is greater than 0. We simply find the roots of quadratic equation. The solution is between the roots, and the roots are not included. Because race time is discrete, we must seal the first root and floor the second one. Beware of the edge case when the root is an integer. Then we must add or subtract 1. Oddly enough, this edge case was not included in my test data, so it might be unnecessary. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you.